Come here, Jackie boy. Bro, I lost my back piece.
What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
So when are we gonna start blasting?
Hello, motherfucker.
That's what triggers it, bro. No, it respawns over there.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
I'm gonna light this kid up.
2 hours later.
Oh, hell no!
Let's go pull flag. Let's go pull flag. Let's solid flag. Oh. Did you? You saw? Okay. Oh, my bad.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Bad.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast.
2 brand right side meat grinder. I seen them when I was respawning. We're all lined up. We're gonna get killed.
And sometimes I wish I didn't open my fucking mouth.
We're good. We're good. Hit.
Now we're outside. The game is kind of running a little slow, so I decided to push outside and help my homeboys out. Yes, I already know you're gonna fucking say it. Don't even think about it. I already know what you're thinking.
What the fuck?
First, I want to say whoever was in front of me with his hand up, I do apologize for shooting you, but you were in the way, so I mean, it is what it is. Next time, don't be in the way, and you won't get shot. I mean, sorry I shot you.
He's down. I feel like that's a blind spot. On the right? Somebody just on the other side of UPS. So on the other side of UPS?
This guy in front of me had the most sick pistol loadout. It had a stock drum mag. It was so cool.
Holy shit. I'm right above you,
Angling
bro.
like this is very key in airsoft. Whenever you get the chance, utilize it, because the more firepower, more map control, better power to you. Currently, we are trying to make way, trying to push up. So as you can see right now, we're trying to suppress fire. And when we get the opportunity, we're going to move like right now.
No, I know, you get me.
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert!
First, I want to talk about this play in particular. Here I am sweeping my little tiny sweep. I get all 4 of those dudes out. This dude's already out. I get the guy behind the truck, aimbot flick on the, and I'm still pushing up. Everyone's respawning. As you can see, everyone's hand is up. I get around the corner. There's no one in sight that is a valuable player right now. This guy right here at the very front that I'm aiming at, he's dry firing. He's not even shooting me. I go and pull flag. The dude running up finally gets me. And for some reason, he still wanted to open his mouth saying that I was hit, which was pretty obvious.
I know,
which I said I was already hit. So, I mean, I don't know what else I could say, man. Dude was kind of slow.
Hey, you watch this? Hey, watch your flank.
So the next little bit's actually going to be a little bit messy. My scope cam was actually dead during this time. But there is about to be a whole bunch of kills. They're not going to be very visible, but just enjoy the stock Qrf, because this thing shreds.
Double kill.
Fire door, fire door, fire door. Changing. Don't go, don't go. Game.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for this gameplay. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was super fun recording and editing this. If you guys want to see more videos like this, yo, sub, comment, like. It helps me out, grow as a content creator. Hey, and you guys are amazing for sticking till the end. Remember, guys, at 10K, we're going to have a massive giveaway. Yo, if you guys want to hit me up on my social links, I got Instagram on my link. Hey, this is your boy Swavy, and we're headed out to the next game. Peace.